I'm happy to announce that our diesel heater is ready. Why it stands out from the crowd is that it's European made. We have a European made diesel core, which is super efficient. It uses only 1/10 of a liter per hour. Thanks to that, you can run it up to 50 hours on one tank. It also uses only 1 amp of power. This means that you can use it for longer. It can be used on high altitude, as high as 4,200 meters, which is roughly 40,000 feet. It's super compact integrated unit. It has 5-liter diesel tank, diesel heating core, and all piping included. We will also offer quick release mount for this unit, thanks to which you will able to install it with no time. Also remove it easily after your trip. Just undo the lid, connect the hose, which use magnets, undo inlet, undo sockets, connect power source, and connect remote control. To start the unit, you just use the remote control. It allows us to use a vent option or heating. To adjust the power, just use the knob. That's how we start the unit. Now it will start. It will take a while after to run it. When you hear the sound of the ventilator, it means it's starting.